Hello everyone, welcome to Basics and Beyond. In this video, we are going to cover the Tiger Reserve, National Parks and Biosphere Reserves. This video is a part of series in which we will cover the maps of the India maps in detail, where we will cover the different features of the Indian maps. Today we will learn about the Tiger Reserves, National Parks and Biosphere Reserves of Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh and Odisha. This is Madhya Pradesh, this is the Chhattisgarh and this is Odisha. We will start with the Biosphere Reserve first. As you can see, this box here represents the Biosphere Reserve. There are just 4 in numbers within these 3 states. These are Pachmadi, Panna, then Achnakmar, Amarkantak and Simlipal. What you need to know that you need to learn them in a strict pattern or in a direction. So we will be covering them, or we will be learning them in the direction from west to east. So Panchmadi, Panna, Achnak, Amarkantak and Simlipal. Now you need to learn that the Panna as well as the Simlipal both are biosphere reserves, but as you can see through the representation that they are tiger reserve as well as national parks. It means Simlipal and Panna, they are biosphere reserves, national parks as well as tiger reserves, while the Achnak Amarkantak is only a tiger reserve and as well as a biosphere reserve. Pachmadi is just a biosphere reserve. Now we will cover the tiger reserves. So we will also learn the tiger reserves in the same pattern or in some other patterns, but there must be some patterns. Like in Madhya Pradesh, we will be covering them in anti-clockwise direction. So when you go in anti-clockwise direction for Madhya Pradesh, you will be looking at Satpura Tiger Reserve, Pench Tiger Reserve, Kanha Tiger Reserve, then Bandhavgarh Tiger Reserve, then there is Sanjay Dhubri Tiger Reserve and Panna Tiger Reserve. And as you can see that most of the tiger reserves in Madhya Pradesh, they are located on the eastern side of the Madhya Pradesh. Now talking about the tiger reserves in the Chhattisgarh, then for the Chhattisgarh you need to learn them from north to south, because you need to learn that how these are distributed or how they follow a pattern from east to west or west to south. With some certain pattern of direction we will learn them. So for Chhattisgarh you can see here that this is Achnakmar Tiger Reserve, then Indravati Tiger Reserve and finally Udanti Sita Nadi Tiger Reserve. So Achnakmar, Indravati and Udanti Tiger Reserves, they follow the pattern of from north to south. And finally for the state of Odisha, we will be learning Satkosia Tiger Reserve and Simlipal from west to east. Satkosia and Simlipal. Now finally we are about to cover the national parks, and again for the national parks we will follow some pattern. So for moving from the anti-clockwise direction, again from the Satpura we will cover for the Madhya Pradesh first Satpura National Park, and it is also a tiger reserve. Again the Pench National Park, the Kanha National Park, they are also tiger reserve. Then there is a Fausil National Park. This Fausil National Park, you need to know that in while covering the tiger reserves, this in anti-clockwise direction, the first 7 only the Fausil is a national park, not a tiger reserve. Otherwise all others are tiger reserve as well as national park. So we will learn them again: Satpura, Pench, Kanha, Fausil, Bandhavgarh, Sanjay Dhubri and then Panna. After this you will get to know that there is Madhav National Park, Kuno National Park, Dinosaur National Park, and there is Van Vihar National Park. So you need to remember these important national parks of the Madhya Pradesh. I will again repeat them for the revision: Satpura, Pench, Kanha, Fausil, this is Bandhavgarh, Sanjay Dhubri, Panna, Madhav, Kuno, Dinosaur Fausil National Park and Van Vihar. Van Vihar is located in Bhopal, of the capital city of Madhya Pradesh. Now look at the national parks in the Chhattisgarh. We will be getting 3 national parks. One is the Guru Ghasidas. This is again part of Sanjay National Park, Guru Ghasidas National Park. And then there is Kangar Valley National Park and Indravati National Park. So again we will be learning with the same pattern from north to south in Chhattisgarh. This is Guru Ghasidas National Park, Indravati National Park and Kangar Valley National Park. Talking about the national parks in the Odisha, then again from north to south you will be looking at the Simlipal and the Bhitarkanika. This is the Bhitarkanika National Park. I hope you guys enjoyed it well. So Keep watching the video. Stay tuned with the channel. Thank you.